is having a group photograph with all the federal might, with all the state might, with all their resources, we denied PDP and APC of scoring 25% from Edo States. Today, we have in our kitchen a senator, House of Rep members, and House of Assembly members. Don't people deserve to clap for yourself? You will all agree with me that we won the presidential election, but they stole our mandates. They have murdered sleep, but they will sleep no more. And that's why they are running and jumping from pillar to post. Because they have murdered sleep, they will sleep no more until we recover our mandates. And I'm sure that by next month, we will be jubilating for the victory that we will pronounced. The local government system in Nigeria was introduced to bring government closer to the people. It was introduced to bring development to the people. It was created to bring healthcare facility, to bring education, to bring life to the grassroots. It was created to bring better life to our people. Unfortunately, and unfortunately, and unfortunately, and unfortunately, our governors across the federation have destroyed the local government system in Nigeria. While we want to praise and commend Governor Obaseki for allowing this local government election to hold, we want to warn and state categorically that there must be free, fair, credible local government election. We want to appeal to the governor of Edo State that the rumor by hearing that he's going to write result in those Adebia venue should be discountenanced. We want to appeal to him that he should not write results this time around. It is because of that we have decided to mobilize our people to send a signal that we have the best of candidates that can man local government system in Edo State. Today, you will agree with me that the new Nigeria we are pursuing, the new Nigeria that Peter Obi and the Labour Party have come to represent, is driven on performance, is driven on integrity, is driven on honesty, is driven on performance, is driven on proactiveness. And that's why we have taken our time to select the best of the best of the best amongst us as chairman of council. I want to say categorically that the 18 chairmen we have selected are the best and they have the best of credentials.